Ulena Chiyawa uhlangana nabachayeli benteksi nabakhweli abasemjejeni wokujova etaxi rank yeKapa. Uthi bekathukiwe ngaphambi kokujova. Kodwa kwabangcono ngemva kokujova.
I think they somehow put like stations in all the areas so that it will be easier for people like what they did today for us taxi drivers, because it didn't take a lot of time.
Imphathimandla zithi ikoro yenteksi ithutha abakhweli abamaphesenti amachumi akhombako kilesi sifunda. Yeke kuqakathekile ukuthi utholakale lula umjovo khona kuzokuvuseleleka nomnotho.
The industry has suffered greatly. So we're here to say, let's work together, get everyone vaccinated, get as much people vaccinated so that we can open the economy, that we can get jobs back on track.
Isifunda seChingalanga koloni sincamele ukujova isibalo sabantu abayi-5 million nakufika inyanga kaSinyikhaba. Nanyana kusese nabantu abasesenokuzaza khona apha.
It's an economy active population who are coming to and from work. We were saying to them, whilst you are still waiting, you can go across the road at the City of Cape Town offices where you can be vaccinated, because we brought the vaccines here.
Ikoro yamateksi ilamukele ijima lokuchochozela umjovo.
We've lost a significant amount of money, and also we've lost a lot of taxi operators and drivers during the COVID period.
It is a great concern because we travel with a lot of people and you pick up this disease because you can't see it.
I feel safe because everyone who has vaccinated, having had someone who has vaccinated that says they had been infected after the vaccine.
Okwanje abantu abatheleleke ngengogwana ye-COVID-19 eChingalanga koloni babalelwa enkulungwaneni ezili-19.